Learn how to weld from an entrepreneur. Hello family, my name is Joe Brown, aka Black Phoenix, and I am your welding coach at the Goodwill Academy in Little Rock, Arkansas off of Scott Hamilton Drive. And I wanted to say learn from an entrepreneur because I'm gonna give you a different approach. I have several businesses I have started, and I also teach privately. But I really enjoy education. I enjoy teaching people and helping people grow and gain knowledge that would change their lives. But learning from an entrepreneur can actually give you a different perspective if you're diving into the welding field. Welding is something that is done in every state, and it's something that you can literally, family, close your eyes, like coming to America and spin the globe around and stop and pick yourself a queen somewhere. It's literally that simple. Welding is something that you can build products on, you can do repairs on, you can travel on, you can stay at home and do things on. Like, there's so much you can do with welding, from the shop to fabrication to working on bridges to going underwater. There's so many aspects. But if you get it from someone like me that's the entrepreneur, I can actually show you how to make money from it, side hustles, creating business ideas. So even though you're going through this 16-week setting, you can still ask me questions that I literally charge other people $150 to $500 on consultations for. But you got a chance to ask me these questions personally while we're going through the class, and I'm going to give it to you for free because I want to see you win. So if you invest in yourself and you want to learn how to weld, get it from someone like me, an entrepreneur, someone who has made money from it, who's teaching it, who's living it, and it can change your life, family. So I just want to say, I believe you should learn from someone like me because I'm passionate, because I believe in what I'm doing, and I know ways to get around the loopholes. You know how our former president said, don't get mad at me that I use the system and the loopholes that was designed by the system. Maybe you should learn the loopholes. And that's why I'm here, family. I'm gonna teach you all the loopholes in the system on how to start businesses, how to learn welding faster, how to accomplish it, how to gravitate to it a little quicker, and how to really dive into that skill set and really get it. That's my goal. I want to teach you how my grandfather taught me how to drive. He sat me in his lap, put my hand on the steering wheel, and boy, as a kid, I thought I was a real driver, but I wasn't. But he built my confidence up, and that's what I want to do for you. I want to build your confidence up, but I'm gonna actually teach you how to drive. So once I move out the way, you're gonna be doing your own thing. And I really believe coming from a person like me can really help you because I'm an entrepreneur. I believe in thinking outside of the box. Family, I was born in Little Rock, Arkansas, and I was raised in Southeast Arkansas in Denver. And I have traveled since I got out of prison. Just for those who don't know my backstory, I did 10 years / 11 years in prison, over a decade, from the age of 16 to 26. And once I got out, family, welding took me everywhere, from Arkansas to South Carolina to Washington State. Welding, it changed my life. So I got an opportunity to experience it from a different standpoint. And also, I left the state of Arkansas, family. So now I'm back in Little Rock, and I'm helping people start their businesses. I'm helping people learn the skills, but I can show you something different because I left, and I still leave and travel. So I can give you a different aspect on how you should dive into it. And I'm gonna tell you why. Because welding is something that you can take with you anywhere you want to go and change your life. Like I say, remember, pick a spot, start welding. But if you want to learn welding here, come down to the Goodwill Academy off Scott Hamilton Drive in Little Rock, Arkansas, and let me teach you how to weld from an entrepreneur.